Hello children, last class we saw microbes in sewage treatment, and today we are going to see about microbes in production of biogas. Biogas is a mixture of gases that contains predominantly methane. Actually, uh, it's a mixture of gases, but methane will be the dominant in that. It is produced by the microbial activity and can be used as a fuel. Okay. Microbes produce different kinds of gaseous end products during their growth and metabolism. And this type of gases produced depends upon the microorganisms and through which organic substance they utilize. That is the medium on which they grow. They utilize the medium as a source of energy and they grow in that medium. So that depends upon it is different for various microorganisms, and the substrate on which they grow they utilize as a source of energy, that also varies. According to that, the gaseous end product also may vary during their growth and metabolism. The gases produced will be different. Actually, we saw in the microbes in industrial products and all, that fermentation of dough, cheese making and beverages and all, the main gas was carbon dioxide. So that is a different substrate. And here we are going to see about biogas production. Certain bacteria which anaerobically, that is with the absence of oxygen, which grow on cellulosic material, produce large amount of methane along with carbon dioxide and hydrogen. I said methane is the predominant gas. So some bacteria which in the absence of oxygen, which they grow on the cellulosic material, they produce large amount of methane along with carbon dioxide and hydrogen. And these bacteria are collectively called methanogens, and one such common bacteria is methanobacterium. And these methanobacterium, they are found in anaerobic sludge during sewage treatment, which we saw in the sewage treatment. They are also present in the rumen, that is a part of the stomach present in the cattle. They are abundantly present in the rumen, which is a part of stomach that is present in the cattle. This is what I said, methanogens. Okay, collective methanobacteria. These are known as the methanogens, which plays an important role in the biogas production. The next picture what we are going to see, I said about rumen. See this all these most of the herbivores, ruminants, I can say, they will be having a rumen, that is a part of a stomach, the first part of a stomach, which is known as a rumen, that will receive food from the esophagus and partially digest the food with the help of the bacteria that is present in the rumen, that is a part of the stomach, which will be having a lot of this bacteria, methanogens, which is responsible for the digestion of this cellulose, and then it passes the food to the next part, that is the reticulum. So this is what in the cows and other herbivores the process take place to digest cellulose. Human beings, we don't have this capacity because we don't have the respective enzymes for the digestion of cellulose, and moreover we don't have rumen. Because of the presence of human only, these cattle are able to digest cellulose with the help of the symbiotic bacteria which we lack. So human beings cannot digest cellulose, but it's rich in fiber. Only ruminants can digest cellulose because of the adaptive features that is present in the alimentary canal. Okay, so what happens here? This methanobacteria plays a significant role, that is in the rumen part of stomach, which is present in the cattle. A lot of cellulosic material present in the food of the cattle is also present in the rumen. So in rumen, what happened? They help in the breakdown of cellulose and play a significant role in the nutrition of this cattle with the help of the bacteria. Okay, this is what I said. Thus, the excreta, that is the dung, the cow dung of cattle, commonly known as a gobar gas, is rich in these bacteria, that is methanogens, and this compound can be used for the generation of biogas. Okay, this is what the biogas plant. You can see the outlet in which they can collect the gases. This is what how it looks like, and you have a diagram in your textbook also. See, this biogas plant consists of this actually in the biogas plant what they will use bio waste. Both the bio waste, this is what the bio waste, and the slurry, this is what bio waste slurry. This is slurry is nothing but cow dung mixed with water. Okay, these both the biogas plant consists of a concrete tank, okay, in which the bio waste, previously I showed that one, and slurry, this is cow dung with water is fed. Okay, then you can see this picture, a floating cover is placed over the slurry. Here the mixture, and this is what the cover. See, as the mixture is placed here and which this floating cover is placed over the mixture, which keeps on rising as the gas is produced in the tank due to the microorganisms present. So you can see the production of biogas, it keeps on rising as the gas is produced, and here biogas, the gas goes and it is utilized for cooking and lighting, etc. Okay, what happens here, the mixture is there, outlet it goes, and you have one more the spent slurry actually is removed through another outlet. Okay, whichever is converted into gas, it will be utilized and it will be released to another outlet, which is can be used as a fertilizer for the plants. Okay, you can see one more picture also, that also. See, this is what the gas holder, it keeps on rising as the gas is produced, and you can see the gas produced outlet, so the gas is taken out. Okay, and this is what the slurry and the bio waste are mixed, and it is just kept in a concrete tank, and with the help of these methanogens, this will be converted into gas. Okay, and this will be having an outlet, all I said that, and this splint slurry is removed and it can be used as a fertilizer, because anyway it is a manure, and this cow dung is available in large quantities in rural areas where cattle are used. So biogas plants are more in rural areas and used for cooking and lighting. And the technique of biogas production, technology of biogas production was developed in India mainly by two institutes. One is the Indian Agriculture Research Institute, and one more is Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Both these only you have this biogas production. It was developed in India by both these institute and industries. Okay, that's all about the biogas production. The next one, biofertilizer. I think the next we'll see biocontrol agent and more biofertilizer. Biocontrol agents. Next we'll see this in our next class, and finally microbe in as biofertilizer. Both we'll see in the next class. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.